Hi everyone, it's been a while since I did a video. I've been so busy with things. I've got some videos to come, but this first one is about a laptop that I've been given. So I was given a lot of tablets and laptops and things, and I've kind of worked my way through them. I want to clear out really. So I thought I'd just find out if this one is dead or not. So the first thing is that I will plug it in. And turn it on. No, it's dead. So, okay. First thing I want to do is make sure that this works. So this is a laptop adapter. So it should be about 19 or 20 volts. So I'll just stuff that in there. Got a multimeter over here. And it doesn't. Right. Okay. It doesn't work. 0 volts. Make sure I'm contacting that properly. Yeah. Right now that should be 19 volts and it's nothing. So there's a problem there. So something wrong with the adapter to start with. So has it got a fuse? Let's find out. Okay, so we've got it. Yeah, it's got a fuse in there. Let's see if the fuse works. Come on. There we go. So to check the fuse, I'll put this in resistance mode. Make sure that these work. Yeah, that works. Okay. Okay, there are 0.3 milliohms of resistance, so therefore the fuse is fine. So what that means is that the actual adapter is broken. So probably, well, this won't go in. There we go. So most likely this is still working, this part here, because it is just a wire. I could test it, but yeah, I will test it, but it's probably working. Yeah, so I'll test it. So plug it in, switch it on. I'm going to put this in AC mode, so volts AC. I would need 750 volts on this because in the UK we use 250 volts. Right, I've just got to make sure I've got this right, so we've got it over volts. And volts. And we've got 240 volts, so that's working. So, this AC adapter is broken. Now, I don't know if I've got another one. Let's have a quick look. What's this one? Yeah, I do have another one. It's got a different end on it though. Oh, this looks like one I've repaired in the past. So yeah, I'll cut that off and check that this one works. So, plug this in. Right, it's plugged in. Disconnect it. And I've got to snip the end off that. Yeah. Yeah, so, whoa. Oh, there's a capacitor in there, that's why. Okay, I forgot about that. There you go. Yeah, so, I hope everyone's okay. I mean, I haven't really been commenting recently on anything. I feel like it's something that I've not done for a long time, you know, YouTube. I do hope to get back into it though. soon. I'm doing a master's degree in a few weeks, or starting it. So there's yet another thing for me to do. So I'm doing a master's degree in advanced computer science, which I'm excited about. What about you anyway? What are you all doing? Have you got any new projects? Are you doing anything with Arduino? Hopefully you've got some fun stuff going on. So, this is the end that fits in this laptop. This is the adapter that I think works, but I will check that later if I need to. Now, so I've got this here, and I've got this, so this will be the minus and this will be the plus. So I'm just going to turn on my bench power supply. Get this out of the way. I had some problem with this actually. I left it in here and it got damp. So I just dried it out, but I'm going to do another video in probably in about 2 weeks or so, getting some multimeters and reviewing them, find out which is the best one for the price. They're all under £20 or so. Okay, so the plus and the minus, I'll just connect these, and then I've got to apply 19 volts, and we'll see if this laptop actually works. So I've connected them up now. Now I need to give it 19 volts. What's happened here? I've got the amps thing misconfigured. There we go, constant voltage. We want to go to 19 volts. There we go, 19.5 volts. Now this might work. Nope, okay. It's drawing 0 amps according to the power supply. Okay, what's going on there then? Let's check that the connector is right. Set this to volts. Now there should be 19.5 volts coming out of this. Yeah, there is. Okay. So, what's going on there then? It's like as if it's not connecting, or there's an open circuit. So, in fact I know there's an open circuit because it's not taking any amps whatsoever, so there's definitely an open circuit. In other words, there's a break somewhere. It could be that this plug isn't the right plug. Although it did come with it and it does look right. Oh, there's a bit of rust there actually. Does this look right? Yeah, I would say it does. It could be that it's worn so badly that it doesn't connect, it doesn't touch. I'll try that. So what I need to do is turn this thing off. I'll just disconnect the plus. And I need a pin or something, and I'll just try to pull out those probes. What have I got here that can do this? Maybe a screwdriver? No. Okay, yeah, I know what I can do. I've got a knife here. Oh, that might work as well. That might work. HTC SIM card remover. This might work. Just put that in there. There we go. See how it's pushed them out? Pushed them closer towards each other. Now the other thing is that I can see there's a little bit of corrosion on that the minus connector, so if I just give it a little scratch, it might help it. What's this here? Just scratch off any corrosion. Yeah, that's clean now. That's quite clean. So I'll try again. Put that in there. Yeah, it's got it. Connect the anode. Right, now it is drawing something. It's drawing 150 milliamps. Right, okay. Let's try and, oh, and it turns on. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. It's turned on. Whoa, that is crazy. Something as simple as that. So let's see what's going on with this laptop. Needs a bit of a clean up. It's been left in here in, well, it's quite a damp condition really. Yeah. Okay. Right, let's see what happens now. Are you going to work, laptop? It's certainly powered on. It said Acer, which is a very good sign. Looks like it is going to turn on. Whatever that is. So it's yeah, please, preparing to configure Windows, don't turn off your computer. So it is working. So this is something I pulled out one of the other laptops that was broken. These cells are pretty much always good. I think in the history of probably about 50 packs of laptop batteries, I think there was only one that was truly dead and the rest are fine. So this will be another one that's fine. The BMSs seem to go on them. This here, I don't know why, but that's what seems to happen. So if I take this off here, I'll be able to charge these cells and they should be fine. Like I said though, that's a different thing, that's off a different project. I've also got loads of, I'm trying to have a clear out really. I've got loads of Tesco Huddle 2s that I need to go through as well. What else? I've took out some bits from other laptops. A bit of RAM. That looks like a Wi-Fi card. And we've got a hard drive there. Yeah. I said before, didn't I, about this? I got it wet. You can still see a bit of moisture there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. See in there? But yeah, this was my best one, but I am getting some new ones soon. I should be getting about 5 from Banggood, and I'm going to review them. Yeah. Oh, I've also got this to do as well. So I was given this by Shenzhen Maker Fabs Corp. And I said to them I'd do a video on it, which I haven't got around to doing yet, which is quite bad because it's been 2 months probably, so I need to do that. But yeah, just waiting for this PC to come on. It says configuring Windows updates 100% complete. Oh, it's done. It's done. It actually works. So there you go. I can't show you that because it's got somebody's private details on it, but it works. How crazy is that? So the problem with this laptop was, first of all, the adapter was broken. Where is the adapter? Oh, let me just find that thing. So the adapter was broken, so I checked the adapter. This bit works, but the other bit, wherever that is, where is that? Oh, I chucked it in the bin. This bit was broken. Actually, I could open that up and find out why it's broken. I've never done that before, but it'll be switch mode. It'll be something that would take me a long time to understand, no doubt. So I think I'll just chuck it away. And then having fixed the problem by supplying 19.5 volts from power supply, then I found that this wasn't connecting properly. So what I did with that is I pulled it, if you remember, I pulled it out. I looked at the two pins, spread them a bit like that, and then I scratched the ground connector, and it worked. So you can see there that it's slightly spread. Could have done with that as well, actually, that would have been easier. So I put that in there, and I just pushed them in a little bit, like that. You see they're closer together now. And of course I scratched that bit in there to clean it, and it worked. So that's, I didn't actually think that was going to work, but yeah, it has worked. So I'll keep that plugged in now so it can charge the battery. Just looking at the power supply now, it's only drawing 100 milliamps. Is that right for charging a battery? It seems very low to me, that. Well, I'll come back soon and see what happens, but yeah, I'm happy. That's a laptop fixed for pennies and for about 2 minutes or whatever. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.